Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm sorry I haven't uploaded in a long time. Like I said, I'm kind of busy and I'll try to do my best. And okay, so now, today we're gonna make do another app inventor project. Today we're gonna be making a drawing app. Like you can just use your finger to make draw. You can draw. So the main features are gonna be you can select colors. You can select how wide you want, how thick, like wide you want your like brush to be, and you should be able to shake to clear um the the canvas. Okay, so now we can go to the website and sign in. Let's make a new project and we can call this draw. And first of all, let's change the screen name. Go over here and change it to draw. Oh, it changed there. And now we can add a canvas, which is here. The canvas is going to be able to detect our drawing. And I'm going to do, I guess, 85%. So here we need some space to put like all this stuff. But before that, let's let's add the basic drawing stuff. So go to the blocks and get the when drag block. So now basically this is gonna get every time you drag the your finger on it, it's gonna activate this. And when it is dragged, we have to get draw a line. We're gonna draw a line from the previous X and Y position. So it's gonna draw a line from the previous position of your finger to the current position of your finger. So that's what looks like us like drawing. Uh, now, hopefully, drawing should work. Let's just test it out. So I have AA still open. I don't know if I've already did a video of this, but it's basically like an emulator and it runs a version of Android so you can test your apps. So let's go to the emulator. So yeah, it does a like phone, and the phone is gonna have the app. So hopefully, if this works, we should be able to like drag a finger, like drag a mouse in this case, and then we should be able to draw lines. And then after this, which is the basic part, we can add like the features, like shaking it, all that stuff. Now I don't think we'll be able to test the shaking part because it's not a real thing, unless there's a way you can do this, I guess. But we can still test the width and the color. And let's test this out. And as you can see, it's kind of a little bit slow, but that's because it's on an emulator. On a real Android device, it won't be like this. But as you can see, it's just a normal line thing. And yeah, now we can add some of the features we want. So actually now seeing the actual gap, I would say that this is a little bit small, so I'm gonna add more gap. The cool thing with the emulator is that the the updates are made in real time, so you don't have to keep doing it. I would say about 75. You don't have to keep building the emulator. Yeah, that's enough space. Now let's add the stuff that we need. First of all, we need to allow it to shake to so I think we need the accelerometer sensor to detect that. So it's not a visible thing, just non-visible. So now when shaking, we have to clear, canvas clear. So now if the phone has been shaken, I don't think you can do that on the emulator. On a real phone, you probably can. Yep. Because it's just a window, it's not a real phone. But on a real phone, you probably can like, shake it to clear. I mean, still do it. Yeah, it's cleared. So I guess that's the only thing you can do. But now let's add some colors. So how we can do that? We can use like a like a spinner, I guess. Just like that, that should work. And then we can add like a slider. Yeah, slider. Here, in the width and the full parent. Minimum value 10, maximum value 50. Okay, whatever. But now, one position change. Now, is there a way we can set the thickness? What's if there's a thickness here? Line width. Yeah, that shouldn't be enough. Okay, let's see. New slider. I don't know why the like these lines. That doesn't make any sense. But I guess that's what that happened. But it's just really hard on it, so I'm just thinking that like we should just make like a button. Obviously, I don't think we need something this thick. Let's change it a minimum value and the maximum value. We might need like 5. We can just go up to 30. One position is gonna be at 10. Let's check. Yeah, I guess that's good enough. I guess the line, like these lines will be fixed on a real phone. I don't know why I do it like that. Okay, anyways, now let's add colors because currently it doesn't work. So let's add some fields here. Okay, now we can set the item. We can do blue, red, purple. Obviously, you guys can add more colors. I'm just gonna do these 3. Oh yeah, and black. Blue, red, purple, black. Oh, it's black. There it is. Okay, now we need a way to change the color. So go into the blocks and we can select the spinner. After selecting, we want like an if loop. Guys, you feel free to make more colors. I'm just giving one a blue. So we need like an if else, but before that, I'm gonna get the colors that we need: blue, red, purple, and black. Is that purple? I have no idea. That's like pink. And that's the closest thing to purple on here. I guess we can do a purple. I just stick with the default one. Why did I even get that? Now we have all the colors that we need. After selecting, let's do this. Let's get the if and else. Okay, I think that's enough. If selection, oh yeah, we need like an equal thing. In logic, yeah. I was just talking scratch, but I can just type it in instead of writing a string block. I don't know. I don't think we need. Oh, we need an else if instead of. There we go. Now, actually, we don't need that. I just realized that. We don't need. No. Now, if this question is red, blue, purple, and black. Let's set color or something. Set on the. Yep, here it is. Oh, you want extra. Okay. That should save a lot of time now. There. Now we have all the things. Now let's test it on the emulator. Let's do blue. And we have a blue one. Try red. Red. Purple. So it's a little laggy on this. But I think it wouldn't lag on an iPhone. Why did it just clear? Wait, I didn't know. This. That's weird. Like a button here for shaking it. I don't know how it accidentally cleared off. Anyways, guys, now I have like a working drawing program. So that's the end of this video, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. And make sure to like and subscribe to my channel and share this video. So, and see you in the next video. And goodbye.